In light of comments on the weekend by the UK Government Transport Secretary that pressing for fulfilment of promises made in relation to the electrification of the main line to Swansea was jumping the gun, will the Government bring forward a statement indicating what representations will be made to the UK Government so that the residents of the Swansea Bay area and west of Cardiff aren't let down by the UK Conservative Government again?
Well, certainly, I think we're all very disappointed that electrification between Cardiff and Swansea won't be completed by 2018 as we originally were promised, as originally was planned. But the Cabinet Secretary is indeed meeting with the Secretary of State for Transport, and it's very helpful to have your intervention today on the business statement, Jeremy Miles, because I'm sure the strength of feeling is across this chamber that we need confirmation of electrification through to Swansea, that it needs to be completed early in the 2019 funding period to 2024.